Hey, what's going on, everybody? If you're new to the channel, thanks for stopping by. My name is Burlacker, and this is my garage. Most of you know that this may be my garage, but usually the cars in here are not mine, except we finally have our own contribution to the garage. We got the Shelby GT350, and James is nice enough to let me park in my garage. So I appreciate you, James, for that. If you notice, all the Lambos are gone. He took them up to make some models for the open house they're doing. But I do want to talk about the mods that came with the GT350 when I bought it about a week ago. It had several mods on it. It had 1,800 miles on it. But we gotta go. We're late. We're really late. We gotta go see what's up and make some models. Before we leave, I forgot one thing real quick. This is my shed. If you guys can't tell, wheelbarrows, lawnmowers. It's a basement. It's a basement. It's my shed. I gotta set the shovel outside real quick because I got some guys coming over to pull some weeds, because if you can't tell, yeah. All right, that should do it. And in case you are worried or concerned, I'm paying them good money, and I will be joining them. I will be helping, but I don't know if you guys want to watch me pull weeds for hours and hours. If you do, leave it in the comment below and I'll save some more for next time. We got my neighbors, Roland and Anna, joining us because they want to support James. I don't know why, but that's what they want to do. Anna's going to test out the back seat because
test it out, see if it's child proof.
Roland was going to try it, but he's 6'7", and so we just figured we should just. How you doing?
Good.
You good? Okay. Well, we're going to close you up.
Okay.
Yeah, you're trapped.
You still alive?
Yeah.
How are your knees? You lose your knees yet?
No.
Nope. All right. So that's my parking spot, and Makes and Models is like clear over there. So yeah, I came to say hi to James, but he looks a little preoccupied, so I don't want to stand in line. Sorry, bud. Peace. Don't hit anybody, dude. Don't hit anybody. Don't hit anybody. That's what I call driving under pressure. I had little faith that he would not hit anybody, but fortunately, he succeeded. Or unfortunately for me, because that would have been hilarious. And there goes the crowd. So we still got the Gallardo here. Check out this Pontiac though. This thing is sick. You guys have all seen these cars on James's channel, obviously, but this is the Makes and Models race collection. I do respect the golf cart, and actually I want a golf cart. I've always wanted a golf cart. Should I add a golf cart to the channel? Let me know. Comments below. Go-karts, obviously we need some of those. Okay, here's the question. Do I trade in the X5 for the Urus, because the Urus is sick, or do I get a matching yellow Gallardo to complement James's orange Gallardo? Or do I do option 3, which is neither of those because I can't afford either car? My buddy Ryan, who let me drive his GT3, this is that same GT3. This is his. Looking good here in the showroom. Congrats, buddy, on your car making the cut in the showroom. Well done. This is kind of sick. They got their service section displayed nicely. Some nice rides. I think we need some lifts in the garage for sure. All right, the open house is over. The dealership is behind us, and I'm parked like 2 blocks down the road. So yeah, we gotta walk. It's hot. Summertime, springtime, it's back. All right, we made it. She's still here. Good news. Makes and Models put on a great open house. It was super cool. Tons of cool cars, some good people. If you stopped by and said hi to me, I appreciate it. Thanks for saying hi. Hope things are going great for the rest of your day. And we're gonna go to a certain spot here, a special secret spot in central Utah, far away, to talk about some of the mods that have been done on this car already. There are 4 exterior mods, and then there was 1 mod that was done under the hood. They're not, I mean, they're not major game-changing mods, I'll be honest, but there's some good mods, and I appreciate that they've been done already. All right, here we go, dead end. This is the spot, this is the end. I tell you guys, summertime is approaching, springtime is back for sure. It's golf season. I gotta hit the links next week for sure. It feels great out here. Winter, peace out, we'll see you later, but I'm not missing you right now. Back to the mods. First mod, obviously, windshield tint. The previous owner had ceramic tint done on the windshield, and if you're asking, if you're curious, because of James, it is legal. We're just gonna pretend and go with that, and maybe I'll just roll down my windows every time I see a cop. But let's be honest, it looks so much better with that tint. I don't want to be driving a fishbowl all day. Now the second mod he did was right here, and I don't know if you guys can tell, there's a little bit of a flap here. He put in flaps to prevent all the rocks being sucked into this side skirt here, which anyone that knows the GT350, they call this a rock collector. So he put in this flap, and I'm okay with it. I don't know if I would have done that, but I'm gonna leave it on and see if I appreciate it. Now another small, very, very, very small basic mod he did, but I love it, and I was gonna do this for sure, is he put the Shelby lettering, the gray coloring in the Shelby lettering. When it comes stock, it doesn't really stand out. There's an indentation, but the block letters are not colored in, so they don't pop. And now they pop, and I was gonna do that for sure, and honestly, I'm probably gonna change the color down the road, but I'm so glad that that's there already. All right, this next mod is a big mod, and I'm so glad this car already had the mod. It's the PPF. You guys have been commenting and making sure, keeping me in check, that I had it taken care of, that I was protecting the car, and we're good. We got PPF all over the front of the car, the front fenders, the front hood, and even the side mirror. So we are good. I was able to drive the car straight way off the lot and not have to worry about chips. Obviously, well, except for the windshield, but we don't need to go there again. So super awesome. PPF, it's protected. We are gonna wrap it for sure eventually, but for now I can enjoy it and not have to worry about the paint getting chips. Now let's pop open the hood and talk about that last mod, and I would bet that most of you don't guess what it is. Got the lever. All right, one of the first mods I need to do though is put on hydraulic struts, because I gotta set you guys down. Actually, scratch that. I'm not gonna show you guys. No, I'm just kidding. I'm gonna show you, but I'm gonna move the car so we can see in the engine bay a little bit better. In case anyone is curious, the hood ajar indicator light on the dashboard, it does work because the hood was ajar and I was notified, so way to go Ford. All right, baby. All right, let's pop this baby open. It's hot, it's hot. Okay, sorry about that. That was a lot of work and didn't help that much, so I apologize for wasting your time. But here we are at the one mod he did. He put in a passenger side and a driver's side JLT 3.0 oil separator. If you guys don't know what this is, it basically keeps the engine, the intake clean by catching any oil particles right here in the canister. And from what I'm told, I've actually never had one on a car. You can unscrew those and empty them out, and it keeps your engine clean, keeps it free from oil sludge and all that stuff. There we go, engine mod, basic, but it helps keep the car healthy. Maybe the next one we do is a supercharge. Eventually, I'd love to, we'll see. Also, special thanks to Paul and Z. I can't really read it, so I'm just gonna say it looks like a Z, for hand building this engine with pride. Appreciate you. All right, one other thing, don't leave yet. The reason I got the comfort seats and not the Recaro seats is I don't fit in the Recaro seats. I basically sit on the side bolsters. That doesn't work for me, so I had to get the comfort seats. Didn't have much of a choice there, but the comfort seats, they do have cooled function. They cool your back and so forth, and I like that. So aside from the fact that I can't fit and had to get the comfort seats, I really like the cooled seats, especially because it's so hot right now. Man, I was complaining about winter, but whew, it's toasty. Also, if you guys have mods that you want to see done on the car, I know you do, put them in the comments below. We'll get a list together. We'll start working on a build. It might take a minute, need to build up this channel, so I appreciate you guys for joining the channel, for coming along for the ride. figuratively, not literally, of course. And I appreciate the support. Hope you guys are having a great day. Have a great week. Peace.